What do y'all think? Hey y'all, it's me, Lisa Mason Ziegler, and I am here with your invitation today. And guess what I'm doing on the show today, y'all? I am gonna be hoeing. I'm gonna be showing you how to use my favorite tool. You can see how dirty it is. I use this hoe all the time, y'all. So the show starts in about 12 or 13 minutes. You can certainly watch it here through social media, but I'm here to tell you that when you're inside my phone app, which is free, you can participate in the giveaway. There's a lot more excitement going on because you can converse with the other live viewers in the comments, and it is a ton of fun. Today on the show, I am talking about weed prevention, and you don't want to miss it because this little baby right here, this tool that I have used for 29, 30 years now, will change your world, as well as some other things. Prevention is the key, friends. So join me inside the app, and that means you can comment app here, APP, and I'll DM you the link, or you could simply go to your phone's app store and search Gardener's Workshop. And we actually have two phone apps. We have a shopping app and we have a learn app. You're welcome to get both of them. They're both free. The shop app is where I do the live shopping show every Friday, 12 noon Eastern time. And we're just getting revved up, y'all. You know, the big thing about this show is as the season gets started, this is where we showcase our weekly harvest, right? And so that party is about to get started here in the coming weeks. But I demonstrate today, I'm going to be seed sowing some peppers, I think, and maybe even some celosia. I'm going to be showing you how to use this stand-up garden hoe with no bending over, friends. And we have a deal of the day that you don't want to miss. It's 20% off the biodegradable film, all sizes that are available in stock. All right, friends, so get the app, join me inside, get your lunch, get a beverage, snuggle down, and let's have some fun. I also invite you to get our other app, which is called Learn. That's where my private Flower Farmer Club is. I can't speak, y'all. Where the Flower Farmer Club is home base, as well as any online courses you may have of ours. And there's a gift waiting for you in there, whether you are not, if you're not a member of the club, nor have any of my courses. If you download the app, still in there waiting for you is the free online course, How to Build a Trellis Tunnel. And you're invited to get it just for that. And if you are using our apps, I beg you, please go over and drop a review in your app store so other people know it's okay to get the app. All right, friends, 12 noon Eastern time, soil blocking, weed prevention is the topics of today. And I can't wait to see you inside the Gardener's Workshop live shopping show that happens every Friday. And when you have the app, you can watch replays, all kinds of good stuff, y'all. All right, friends, see you in just a few minutes inside the app, and I'm going to teach you